Good morning, welcome back to the video. Don't you just love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning? So we actually moved away from an espresso into this DIY coffee set. Well, we actually didn't move away from the espresso machine. We just ran out of capsules, and my brother, being the chef that he is, has all the fancy equipment. We got the coffee bean grinder here, we got the frother here, and we got a DIY coffee set here. So this morning we are brewing our own coffee. Boys, gotta get that first sip in. Cheers. That is beautiful. All right, by the time you're watching this, London is currently in lockdown 2.0. So I guess today I'm just gonna show you guys what lockdown 2.0 in London looks like and why it's really not too big of a deal. So number one, it really won't matter in the grand scheme of things. So we made it through 3 or 4 months of lockdown. This second lockdown, they're asking for 4 weeks. In my opinion, that is just gonna fly by fairly quickly. In terms of training, I get it. It can be super frustrating, especially after you picked yourself up after the first lockdown, going back to the gym, getting momentum, getting your strength back, getting your lifts back, and all of a sudden, now we're back into lockdown. But if you've been lifting for a while, you know that muscle memory doesn't go away that fast and your strength comes back really quickly. Me, for example, I went to the gym right after the first lockdown for a month and a half. I didn't squat, I didn't deadlift for like 3 to 4 months, and I was able to work up to 3 plates again deadlift, which is 140 kg, and that's already 75-80% of my max. So that just shows the proof that strength comes back fairly quickly. So don't stress if you don't have the gym for the next 4 weeks, because in the grand scheme of things, it really doesn't matter. You're gonna look back in a couple years and this is literally gonna be a small bump in the road.
Just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now.
Workout is complete. So for breakfast, let me show you guys what we have. 2 thick slices of toast, some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some prosciutto for the protein, and half a cheese on egg, because you know, gotta try and limit your calories during lockdown because you're not as active. That's how I do it. Alright, if you're a beginner watching my channel, I get it. You may not have all these equipment, pull-up bar or dumbbell just lying around at home. But let me just tell you, you're probably in the best spot because you can make gains just doing any type of workout. Since you're a beginner, you haven't really tapped into your newbie gains. So if you want to check out a home workout, I'm gonna link it up here in the eye. No equipment whatsoever. And I promise you, if you do this every 2 days, in just 4 weeks, you're gonna see improvements. If not physical, then definitely in your strength. Alright, in terms of situation in London, you still definitely see people if you go outside. I mean, we're not restricted to stay indoors at this time, so it's not as bad. And check this out, like, we've been using so many disposable masks that we just had to get a recycled mask. So this one Nikki bought is definitely more eco-green than myself, but it's pretty dope, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so cool. Slick design, black, comfortable to breathe.
Black, how convenient, just the color that I like.
Black.
Alright, the metro's here, so we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we started the video a bit late today, but when we came out, it was still bright. We walked out of the tube and it is already pitch black. Like, it's not even 5 p.m. right now in London. It's insane. Also, it's freezing, so we got ourselves a hot matcha. If you're also a fan of matcha, drop it down and let me know in the comments. Let's have a chat why lockdown 2.0 is not as bad as lockdown number 1. As you can tell, there's still people walking around, so we are by no way restricted to go outside, once per day, or just for groceries, or just for exercise. Most things are still open, everything but the gym. Restaurants, they are still functioning. You still see the people on the streets lining up. It's just you cannot sit in. Everything is to go. Let's be real, lockdown benefits nobody and definitely does not benefit the economy. And sometimes it just feels like London, we're going backwards. We had the lockdown for 3-4 months, cases went down, then we started relaxing things like opening bars, opening restaurants, and then when cases started to rise again, boom, here we are with another lockdown. Like, I don't imagine this being the most sustainable way forward. There has to be like a middle ground, like take some Asian countries, for example, like they never even went into lockdown. Like, things still operated as normal. Society just adapted and collectively tackled the whole COVID situation with keeping social distancing, with wearing masks. I'm hopeful that UK will get there eventually and things will literally go back to normal.
I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through.
Alright, just on our way back home, got our takeaway with us. What else do you think is different between this lockdown and last lockdown?
I think it's definitely that people learn to wear masks. Like before, there were lots of arguments whether it's good, whether it's actually going to help. But now everyone's wearing it. I personally, even if it doesn't help, I feel safe. Just in my mind.
Yeah, I think we're definitely more knowledgeable now. We have more information of how to protect ourselves. So yeah, information is power.
Yeah, definitely.
That would be the third point. Food, we got ourselves some curry from Camille Thai restaurant. Had this curry before. It is definitely one of the best. Cold day, hot stuff. You already know. Let's give the green curry a try first. Good amount. Get some good, decent amount of rice. That's hot, but it's solid. Let's give the red one a try. Okay, definitely sweeter, the red one, but I think I prefer the hot one more, so let's stick with the green one. Time to wrap this video up. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you already know what to do. Give this video a like, smash the like button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate it if you hit subscribe and turn bell notification on, because I drop videos just like this every single week and you do not want to miss it. With that said, I hope everyone continues to stay safe during this period, stay active, stay healthy, and I'll speak to you all in my next video.